What's up everybody? Welcome to my channel Sarkar Studios. I'm Swarnadeep Sarkar, and in this video we are going to talk about what is a creative portfolio, the importance of it, also where and how to create. So let's not waste time and quickly dive into the video. So first, the importance of the portfolio. A portfolio is a collection of creative contents that you have created from years. You have put your hard work, skills and times. It shows all the variety of the work you have done, your skill set and the way you present it. So your portfolio can be a PDF document also, or it can be a website. Now Instagram, it is not the place where you create your portfolio. A lot of people do. I also have done that, and I have felt that at some point it becomes a distraction for the user, whether we are following this personality, this person, or we are just getting to see his work, his work life. So I believe portfolio should be a separate thing. Your social media handle should be a separate. Once you have the portfolio, it also helps you to understand your niche, which work is going out better, your skill sets is perfect for. You might find out that your skill set is perfect for might be some certain category of product photo shoot, or might be you find out that your food photography is better. So once you create your portfolio, and then you can show your potential clients that your passion and your skill sets is worth the money you charge. That is the first thing a client wants to see, is your portfolio. So you better, when you're starting your journey, you better have your portfolio. You know, it kinds of builds the credibility. A client feels more trust in you after looking at a well organized, nice portfolio. That plays a vital role when it comes to client conversion. And your portfolio is the proven result that you are going to deliver quality work. Also, I have seen from my experience, once you have a good portfolio built up, ready to show it anyone, anywhere, it brings a different confidence when you talk to clients or when you tell someone about yourself. Now coming on how to create a portfolio and where to create it. You have to plan and execute few quality content, but at least 10 to 12 content you need to put it in your portfolio. Not only for photographers or videographers, it's for everyone. If you're a designer, illustrator, motion graphic artist, anything you do in creative field, you need to showcase those things through a layout in a templatized, well organized way. Remember, you are creating your own portfolio, your own brand. You have to be picky when you are putting things, you're showcasing your skill sets, your quality of work. The portfolio is a place where your clients are gonna come. They're gonna judge your content if you say so. They're gonna look into how you have thought the video of, how you have done the storytelling and how it's going with the visuals. He's gonna judge in those sections, and he's gonna place his brand into your mind, and he's gonna think how you're gonna take it up, placing his brand into your mind, and think a different concept and create a valuable video for him, which eventually gonna get him eyeballs, engagement, revenue. A few more small things I would like to mention you. I don't have those things in my portfolio, I think so. Keep mentioning the achievements of the videos. Add a small description part. Keep mentioning this video has made 1.4 million or 1.2 million views on YouTube or for that client's page. Those are achievements. And these, when the clients see these kinds of things, their trust and faith grows. It builds up a trust with the client that this person has the credibility and this person can achieve this certain quality. Like this person has the ability to achieve this certain level of quality of content creation and producing a very good video or photo or creative art, illustration, script, mood board, screenplay, whatever you say. Now coming to the point, where to make your portfolio. Look, there are free options, paid options, both. You know that. But let me suggest you few options that I have tried. Rather than looking into 10 different options, out of these 5, you can pick 1 or 2 and get your portfolio done. First, Behance. It's a free place where you can create your portfolio. The interface will give you a feel of social media, but it's more fun to use it on a desktop version rather than on a mobile version. But in mobile also it works well. Number 2, Adobe Portfolio. This is also a free, it's by the trusted Adobe. Now you get templates over here, you can utilize those templates. Number 3, Canva. Again, it's easy if you have the pro subscription. The subscription for Canva Pro is pretty less, so if you have the subscription, you get to pick better quality of template. The drag and drop system, putting your files into the placeholders, is really easy in Canva. Number 4, Dribbble. It's not very common in India, but it's also used overall globally. Number 5, Wix, or you can say Squarespace. My personal website, it's made on Wix. It took me a month, I guess, to create my website, placing all of my content, and in every 3 to 4 months you have to update your content, remove few old content which you are again now not happy of. Eventually you will be not happy of any of your content, I know, but remove few contents and add few new contents which you find the best. So thank you for making this video till the end. Thank you to all who have subscribed and liked my videos earlier. If you have not subscribed yet, please throw your finger into the subscribe button. Stay tuned, and I wish you have a blasting new year.